So here I am at Performance Auto Spa, ready to get my truck its first overlanding upgrade. I'm going to get my headlights protected by Xpel Ultimate body protection. I'm going to get my headlights protected first, so when I go on the trails I don't get any scratches or dents on my truck. And so here I go into Performance Auto Spa. So here I am sitting at the front of the truck right next to the headlight. I was not able to take the camera inside the showroom. They have a very nice private collection of cars in there, and a lot of those cars were of such importance that they weren't sure if the owners wanted me inside to even film their vehicles. So I was totally okay with that, and I didn't mind at all that I couldn't get in there. But here I am, nearly 2.5 years later, with this Xpel protectant on the headlight, and I gotta say, it looks amazing. It looks like brand new. That's right, it's nearly 2.5 years later when I took the truck in for its first overlanding accessory. I wanted to make sure on the trails that these headlights were protected, and as I said previously, we have another vehicle that the headlights, the car itself looks amazing, the headlights look like crap. Now with the Jeep, that's so simple. You don't need headlight protection because you can go down to AutoZone or O'Reilly Auto Parts and you can go buy yourself a new headlight right off the shelf for $20, $30. But with the Chevy Colorado, these are specialty headlights that you can't just buy on the shelf at AutoZone. In fact, these probably cost a couple $100 to replace. So that's why I thought it was okay to spend about $350 to get this headlight wrapped with the Xpel protectant on it. It was roughly $350. I don't have the exact price in front of me since it was about 2.5 years ago. But I gotta say, I'm looking at these headlights now, 2.5 years later. They look amazing. I don't see really any blemishes on here. Definitely do not see any yellowing on there. I think they look awesome. Now there is one spot on the other side, it looks like perhaps a larger type bug or animal hit it. Very, very small blemish on it, but that was after the fact I bought it. And considering these are 2.5 years later and they look like brand new headlights, I think I got my money's worth. Again, no yellowing, so I will not have to go back and get this redone anytime soon, which is a nice thing for my pocketbook. But I'm really liking these headlight protections. I'm gonna highly recommend that you would also get this to protect your headlights as well. So guys, if you are enjoying me review different products such as the Xpel Headlight Protection System, go ahead and say in the comments below that you really enjoy this type of thing and give me a thumbs up, because this helps me plan programs in the future around what you guys out there want to see more of. Now look, I know a lot of you watched the video a few episodes ago entitled, "What do I want to do to my Chevy Colorado first as far as aftermarket or gear?" And I didn't even bring up the Xpel headlight protection. Well, that's kind of the way I roll. I'll sit here and investigate and come up with all these different ideas I want to do to the truck, and then 5 minutes later I'm out getting headlight protection. So I thought that getting headlight protection was the best thing to get first before I go off-road. The next thing I'd really like to get is a wrap for the truck to protect the paint. So we'll see where that goes, but I just wanted to explain why I didn't even mention in my previous video why I wanted headlight protection, because I didn't even think of it at the time when I made the video, but it was on my list for one of the top things that I wanted to get. So that's what happened. Guys, if you like seeing a guy sit next to his headlight on a Chevy Colorado, go ahead and hit the subscribe button now so you'll never miss another episode. Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Right now, YouTube is showing you a box right over this headlight that they think that you would be interested in. Go ahead and hit that box right now and watch our next exciting video.